What's up, Evil Street Shark fam, and what's going on, new subscribers? So if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. And now when we hit 2K subscribers, I'm going to be giving away 2 giveaways. And also, my name is Jules. If you guys are new to the channel and don't know, my name is Jules. And right now the noise in the background is my one compressor making noise for my bag. So the problem I'm having is, as you guys can see, my bags there's only one compressor working, the other one stopped working, and it is actually pumping air now, surprisingly. But lately it has not been pumping air. It will just say compressor freeze, and I'm gonna show you guys the compressor in the back. So let's head to the compressor. All right, so this is my trunk setup and this is my compressor. As you guys can see, this one is not working at all. This one is making all the noise and moving. All right, so here are the 2 compressors that I ordered. Dual 44C compressor, same one as these ones. First thing we're gonna do is take down the back seats. So boom, 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 there we go. So we're gonna disconnect these 2. So these are the 2 wires that connected to the compressor, the black and red wire. So we're gonna disconnect these. I love these quick disconnects because it makes your job really easy putting in a new compressor, taking out one. This side. All right guys, so we finally disconnected the 2 red and black wires. So these are going to the relay, these are going to the compressors. Same thing over here. Let's move on to the back. I'm gonna tell you everything that you need. So of course you need your 2 compressors. You're gonna need a crimp tool right here. You're gonna need the full insulated crimp-on quick disconnects. That's the item number right there. These are the ones I got from Radio Shack. Pretty dope. You're gonna need some Teflon tape, right here, and you're gonna need this 3-in-1 tool to take all the air out of the tank. So that's what we're going to do. And you're gonna need an Allen key. So in my opinion, the easiest way to take these compressors out is to use an Allen key and take them out from right here, because taking these out is a pain, or taking them off the screw is a pain because there's weight on each side. So it's really hard to get to the bolt underneath there in a washer. So in my opinion, just taking these bolts with the Allen key out and putting it and take them out, take the ones off of the old one, put the ones on the new one, makes the job a bit easier. So I'm gonna jump the gun and record this video early on basically getting the compressor set up to go inside of the trunk and screw the rest of the stuff into the tank. So I'm going to take off all the wrapping stuff from the brand new compressor. So these are 444C compressors. Usually it'll be 444B or 444C. C means chrome, B means black. So and 444C, 444 is basically the kind of compressor. So Airlift recommends get you 444C or 444B compressors to run to your tank. They're really fast to pump air into the tank. They're really nice. They're not too crazy loud, but they're not crazy quiet, so they're like in between. So they're pretty good compressors. So they highly recommend get you 44C compressors. These are them right here. I'm going to unwrap them. Cover on it right here from anything getting inside of it, and they also have one right here. So that's pretty dope. And the compressor looks like this. Let's take off the wiring plastic piece off of it. The connection looks like this, pretty long. So of course positive, negative, and basically we're going to take off this piece right here. So you're gonna get a crimp tool and basically crimp the black piece off. This one side already has one of the quick disconnects on there, so we're gonna keep this one like I showed you guys already with the quick disconnect. So it already has one on one side already, which is dope. I'm gonna talk to you guys about the filters. So the filters come in this bag. So you open it up, you get this filter right here, and it looks like you got some fill-up screws on there that you gotta remove to take this little piece off. So glad I got this toolkit. So I'm gonna take these screws out right here in the front, screw it on. You don't have to tighten them too much. So the filter is on this one. We're gonna put Teflon tape on this one. So got my Teflon tape right here, and you want to make sure the threads are perfectly aligned and is getting a good contact. And what can really help you is you could twist this whole thing and basically thread the Teflon tape on there to get a good contact. So this really helps you get a good line on there. You guys could probably see the threads really good. I go around it like about 5 to 6 times, or 7, 5, 6 or 7. So this is about my 7th pass, and then I'm going to basically pull it off, and it pulls off really easy, and just leave it like that. So this one side is done. So filter is on, Teflon tape is on the thread, and all we got to do is crimp this one side. So basically I'm cutting this piece off, get a piece like right here, and then spin it around so it exposes like this. What I'm gonna do is get like a little plastic bag and put it here, and the ones that we need to do is these two ends. So they both look like this. So what I'm gonna do is, it's too big for the hole. That's what she said, guys, don't quote me. Cut this in half and then wrap it around this one. So you're gonna cut this in half, wrap it around this one, and then have enough to put it through the hole. So that's the key on how to get these in. So I cut it and I try to wrap it around as best around this as I can. So these two are good to go, 2 females, guys. All right, guys, so the next part is taking these Allen key bolts out. There's 4, so there's one here, same thing on the other side, same thing on the other side. But the first thing we're going to do is let all the air out the tank. So what you're gonna do is use your 3-in-1 tool and let all the air out. So that's what we're gonna do. Water condensation right there. So right now we're letting all the air out of the tank, so we will be able to basically screw the compressor out of the tank. You do not, warning guys, do not forget all the pressure in the tank and unscrew the tank. You will either crack the compressor or the tank because of all the pressure inside of the tank. So please guys, I'm letting you guys know, please let all the air out before you unscrew anything. So that's about it. Yep, that's it. No more air in the tank. All the air is out. So this is really tedious and time consuming. So got the 2 rears out. Now I'm about to do the front. So what I'm gonna do to make it easy, take the filter out. I finally got it out. I'm gonna get a wrench to unscrew that. So basically I'm gonna show you guys taking out this one side. I would say it's really not that hard. I would say it's about 30 minutes to 45 time consuming, but we have a 5/8 wrench that we're gonna use. And then you're just gonna go clockwise, not clockwise, counterclockwise. So you're gonna go up to unscrew this, and it's coming off pretty easy. So and that's it. Sometimes you might have some extra thread in the hole, so you just clean it up. See if you have any thread. There's some extra right here. Route your cords in the back. So making sure the Teflon tape is going in straight. You do not want to thread it all the way in, but you want to make sure it's tight enough. But that's tight enough. So this is how it looks. So what I'm gonna do is start from the back of the bolts and work my way to the front. So new compressor going in. All right guys, the new compressors are in. The bolts took a W on me, man. The bolts whipped my behind. I know you guys see it's nighttime now. Man, those bolts are a pain. So definitely the bolts took a W on your boy, but it's all good. Next time we do this, next time, no new compressors. When the compressors don't work, we are going to rebuild the compressor. Are down for that? Smash the like button and smash the like button for this video. So now we're just going to connect the wires, black to black, red to red. All right, so got the red in. Now we're gonna get the black, plug the black one in, and we should be good to go. All right guys, so here we go. I'm about to go crank the car up. Let me know if both of the compressors move, so that means both of them cut on. So I'm gonna go start them up right now. Hopefully everything is good. If it doesn't come on, then if it doesn't come on, I'm just gonna edit this out, and then I'm just going to go inside the house and just quit at life and call it a day. So all right guys, as you've seen in the video, only one compressor is working. So what I have to do now is check to see the connection. So the connection that is basically going from the relay to the compressor, so I got to check those plugs. Maybe they might need to be re-crimped with new quick disconnects on them. And so there's two black and red. There's one black and red for that goes to the compressors, and then there's two other red and blacks also, and then there's one other connection. So I have to get like a tester, and I'm gonna test them to see if they're getting current to them. More than likely is not, but everything else is working. The relay is working fine. So the relay is the little square piece that plugs the whole thing into it. So inside the relay it's like a plug. So I plugged the compressor that's working into that relay and it comes on fine. So the relay is fine. Tester and check the connection, and that's it. So more than likely I have to check the connection, maybe redo the quick disconnects, and more than likely, surprisingly, my other compressors are probably working fine. But I'm glad I get to share this experience with you guys and show you guys how to install a compressor, and also I get to show you guys how to troubleshoot different issues with your air suspension if you guys decide to get air suspension. So this is a learning curve, and I hope you guys are able to take something for this. But that's it. If you guys like this video and it was very informative, smash the like button. Definitely, if you're a new subscriber, subscribe to the channel and join the Evil Street Shark family, because there's going to be more dope videos on the way and more dope content on the way. So I cannot wait to share what's coming up in the future. But that's it for the video. If this is very informative, definitely smash the like button. But that's it for the video. If there's anything that you want to achieve, if there's a goal that you have in mind, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to make a step forward every single day, and go after it every single day and make it happen. Peace, guys. Shout out to the Evil Street Shark fam. Definitely smash the subscribe button on the left here, and also hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. Click the link right here below of the latest video that's out right now.